If you want to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive, it is necessary, especially if you are experiencing any issues with your operating system. Some people are scared by this, but it is a reasonably straightforward process that should be completed before you have any difficulties. This will save you both time and hassle if and when you need a clean install of Windows. To begin, you'll need an empty USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft website to download Windows. I'll put a link in the description. You'll see 3 options here. Option 1. Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This is the greatest option for installing Windows 11 on your device, but it will not be a clean or fresh install of Windows. It's just an update for Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. Option 2. Create Windows Installation Media. If you want to reinstall or clean install Windows 11 on your PC, this is the best option. Use this option to download the Media Creation tool to create a bootable USB. First, download and launch the tool. The Microsoft Terms and Conditions will pop up first. To proceed, click Accept. You have 2 options. Here you will have the option to select your Windows language and Windows version, or you can simply check the box. Use the recommended option for this PC to simply download the same setting as your current PC. Then click Next. You have 2 choices here. Either select USB flash drive or ISO file. If you pick the ISO file option, it will allow you to store a copy of Windows ISO file on your PC that can be used later to burn it to a DVD or USB. But I would recommend you select the USB option, and please make sure to plug in your USB before clicking Next. If you don't see your USB, unplug it and plug it back in and click Refresh Drive List and select your required drive, and click Next. There isn't much for you to do here. The tool will download and install the files to your USB drive based on your internet speed. This might take several minutes or longer, but once completed, you will receive a notification. When your USB flash drive is finished, you're safe to unplug it. If you ever need to perform a clean install of Windows, plug this drive into your PC and boot it up. When your PC boots, it should boot to the drive you made. If it doesn't, go into your BIOS firmware and change the boot drive to your USB drive. If you don't know how to enter the BIOS, check with the maker of your PC for instructions. Option 3. Download Windows 11 disk image. This option is for users who wants to create a bootable media either via USB or create virtual machine for later use. Thanks for watching. You can find all the links in the description. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest releases on tips and tricks as well as other tech-related stuff.